Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Saarthi Education Foundation. Today I, Mansi Kakkar, am going to introduce you to SEF Global Education Services. It does happen that a lot of students get confused about which country they should go, which course they should take. So we at Saarthi Education Foundation have a standard protocol of service tenure that we follow. When a student walks to the Saarthi door, first step happens to be profiling. We analyze from the 10th result itself that a student is strong with academics or what exactly are his core areas, which languages he is good at, and what kind of course he should choose as a career path. So that's the first step where the profiling happens. All the documents are reviewed and then we suggest you what is to be done next. Once your career pathway planning happens, the step number 2 happens to be choice of the universities. Yes, we do not only help you with what kind of country is the perfect mix, but we also guide you with the perfect course you should opt in any given universities. So that's what exactly happens when we say that it's very important for every individual to understand that choosing the right university is a very crucial step. So after the profiling and the choice of university, then the criteria come for test preparations. We have to in detail understand that which university has what eligibility criteria. So then the test preparations and language proficiency tests happens. We have excellent mentors who are not only highly qualified but are also available at the tip of time for people. Yes, we work with flexible library hours, we give you ample of material to practice, and we also give you flexible timings to come and study at our study center. So after the test preparations, then we walk and take you to the visa door. We also have mock sessions for the interviews that you are to give at the embassies. So after helping you out with the visa applications and the processes, Saarthi doesn't stop. We also guide you for the accommodations, what are you to do once you walk in the foreign country. So for any queries, please feel free to contact us. Visit our website, look what we exactly do when it comes to the foreign education services. Also, please feel free to contact any of our Saarthi education offices. You know that we are available around the country and we also have our presence globally. So I'll be looking forward to see you at the SEF meets anytime. Thank you. So for more information on admission requirements, visa processes, foreign education or the test preparation center, please stay tuned to Saarthi channel and kindly like, comment and subscribe Saarthi Education Foundation. Thank you.